enough leeway in the system to have at least 3 or 5 years of buffer to sort of to sustain that attack. Right? So Huawei did not survive by making trailblazing breakthroughs in 5G and chips. Huawei literally found a get around. Huawei developed software systems to get around hardware restrictions. Huawei developed those chiplets, quite literally like stacking sort of inferior chips together to achieve roughly the same thing as those high-speed chips can do. And that's what China is really good at. Like for most of the business and industrial organizations, top technology is actually not necessary. They just need to find something that works and execute them really well. And I think that's what China is doing. Just sort of my observation.
But how would you describe, so you talked about this period of readjustment that we're doing now. What's the end goal of that readjustment? What is the imagined end state post-readjustment?
Let me just say, I'm going to get to the question, but let me just say that I think there's something else. There's something else. I asked this question, but I'm going to ask the question to the other people on the panel because I don't have an answer. There also just seems to be something more than